seems to be the problem, officer?
You're not being safe. You need a ride on the bike with a helmet.
Oh, a helmet, you said? Well, I've got this hat here. Isn't that good enough? And I'm older, so I don't need a helmet, right?
Yeah, you do.
Oh, I do. All right. Well, let's get me a helmet, shall we? Oh no, officer, now what?
I see you have your helmet, but you're still being unsafe.
I am? How?
You have all your clothes dangling down there. It could get stuck in the bike.
Oh my goodness, you're right. It could get stuck right in the spokes. I should make sure I'm wearing some nicer clothes, right, for bike riding. All right, good idea. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh no, now what, officer?
I see you have your helmet and you taken off all your clothes that are dangling down, but now you're still being unsafe.
How am I being unsafe now?
You have to follow the cars the same direction as the car.
Oh, I have to ride on the side of the road that goes with the flow of traffic.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you. I'll remember that, and I will have to do that now, won't I? All right. Wow, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to check out my books, Captain Jay and the Misfit Crew and Captain Jay and the Perfect Pet. Both available on barnesandnoble.com, wordery.com, and amazon.com. We'll see you next time.